So now it's time for GrooveMember, and we can access this right here, and of course also over here, right here, GrooveMember. So let's get started with GrooveMember, and as you can see, we have all the different kinds of options we can do right here, and the same options are right here. So we'll just go to memberships, and here you can start a new membership by clicking here. And then you just have to put in your name and your subdomain. For example, test. If I call this this membership for test, then it will show up here as test.groovemember.net. And then you can choose to have a default sender or a custom sender, and choose your domain right here. And of course also upload a new image if you want to. Just click choose and then upload. So yeah. And then we have courses right here. Right now I have a one that I've just fooled around with. I'll just delete this one here. And then we can click here and add courses. And let's say test title and test description. Sales page. We'll just go just to just to make a quick URL. I'll just take a YouTube URL. Then you just take your preferred your preferred URL where your sales page is, of course. And then we can also choose instructors if we have created that one yet. We haven't done that yet. And then we can have a default category, or we can make a new category, and also again upload a featured image if we want to. And then we can have right here the portals. I don't use that much, but you can also create a portal right here. You can just fool around with that, but let's move on to files right here. So if we have a file that we want to share with the member of our the member of the course, for example, then we can upload a file. Click here, select a new file, and then just hit upload. I'll not do that right now, but instructors, that's what I just talked about. You can make a new instructor and just type in your name, and then the description. Chris is a marketing instructor, something like that, and then create. You have to choose an image, upload an image. Right there you go, and it'll just take a few seconds. Select and create. So now we have this instructor right here. And then we also got the members, but we don't have any members yet. But it will show up on the screen when we have some members. So it'll just take a few seconds to load here. It's pretty slow right now. I don't know. Okay, let's just refresh this page here. Maybe we can go to it again. I don't know why this isn't showing up right now, but it doesn't matter. But this is where your members will show up when you click on that. Then we got analytics, and they will be coming soon. For some reason they're not showing up right now. I don't know if it's because we don't have any analytics for our GrooveMember, or if it's just a feature that is coming up. But it's coming soon, it says. So let's say here, if we, for example, go into 1 second. If we make a membership, create a new membership, and then just and save. Oh, it's already taken. So let's say testing, save, the same thing again. Okay, we'll say testing, and then marketing never sleeps, MNS, save. So now we can see here, and then now we can customize the membership site, and we can manage our members, and manage the courses, and manage the access levels. manage the settings, and so on and so on. So let's just maybe make a membership site here. And right now this is coming soon, this one here. So the only option we got is this one here. We can just take a preview of it. So now this is where you can see all the what do you call it, the courses, yeah, it looks pretty cool and nice to me when I look at it. And I believe you can also just you can of course make changes to it if you want to, and let's say customize. Now here it's the same thing as with the Groove funnels and Groove pages. So we can click here, and then we have all the pages. We have homepage, about us, and support and contact us. We can, for example, do we want to change this? Change. And then we can go back here to the homepage. We can make a new page if we want to. Just call it, give it a name, and the page type could be internal page or an external page. You can do a lot of things here, and yeah, also if you have some keywords from Meta, then you can also put that in your tracking link. You can put in here if you have if you're advertising on Facebook and stuff. So let's say here navigation. This is where I can put in the header and the footer and the logo. We got templates. I don't use templates that much. It's those two templates. We got the one that's coming soon, and then we have this one here. Then we can go into settings with this SEO settings and the label settings. I'll let you fool around with this. I'll just click exit, and then we can also go over here and manage courses. Then we can create a new course, or we can add one from library. We'll just create a new one, and let's call it that again. Test. Test sales page. Just take this again. 1 second. There you go. Instructor, and that is Chris. Default category. Yeah, default. And then we'll upload an image again. Select that. Save. So now we have to choose between those two here. We can click use on this one. Right now we're using this one, so we can click here on that one, but I actually have previewed this, and I actually like this one here because you got the video right here about where people can learn from you. But then you can also set in the instructors. This is just an example. So he's called John. And then you can write about him, what he is. He's a speaker and entrepreneur. And then you can also click on the content and see all the subfolders and stuff in here. So the other one, let me click on this one and preview. This is just a video player, a video right here. And then you can choose from all the ones that are here. It's up to you what you like. I like this one better, but this is actually how your course looks like when you're setting it all up. Let's see here, memberships. It was not there. 1 second. Courses. Yeah, edit courses. Yeah, so that is how you can make the courses, and we have also the memberships like we had right here. So you just have to fool around with all this, and you'll get the hang of it very, very soon. It's very intuitive, like I've said before. Yeah, but I'll see you in the next video. So let's move on.